Hi students, welcome to our channel. In the previous video we have learned the like kind and like fractions. Now in this video we are going to learn the comparing fractions. First, we know like fractions and unlike fractions. First, if the denominators are same, they are called like fractions. And if the denominators are not same, they are like unlike fractions. Now let us see how to compare two fractions. It means comparing fractions. Comparing fractions. Now for example, Raju has 3 1/2 rotis. Raju has 3 1/2 rotis in his plate, and Ravi has 2 1/3 rotis in his plate. Then who has the more rotis in his plate? So we have to find the means we have to compare the two fractions. That we should say which student has many rotis, means more rotis. So then here also we need to find two fractions. We need to find two fractions. So for that let us take a rectangle. The same rectangles are taken 3-4 times. So in the first rectangle is divided into two parts, and in the first rectangle is divided into two parts, and here one part is shaded. So now this represents 1/2, 1 out of 2 equal parts. And the second rectangle is divided into 3 equal parts. Here one part is shaded. Now this is 1/3, 1 out of 3 equal parts. And the third rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts, and one part is shaded. Now this is 1/4, 1 out of 4 equal parts. And the last rectangle we divided into 5 equal parts. One part is shaded. This represents 1/5, 1 out of 5 equal parts. So when the rectangle is divided into more equal parts, then the size of each part will be reduced. When the rectangle is divided into more equal parts, then the size of each part is reduced. Now here we can say that 1/2 is more than 1/3. 1/3 is more than 1/4. 1/4 is more than 1/5. That is 1/2 greater than 1/3 is greater than 1/4 is greater than 1/5. Okay, but each term we cannot draw the rectangle, and we cannot divide it into equal parts, and we cannot compare. So then how to compare the fractions? First let us how to compare the like fractions, then we will go to the comparison of unlike fractions. Now comparing like fractions. Now let us take the two like fractions, 3/5, 4/5. So let us two rectangles. Let us take two rectangles which are divided into 5 equal parts. So in the first rectangle 3 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. In the first rectangle 3 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. So this can be represented as 3 by 5. And the second rectangle, 4 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. So this can be represented 4 by 5. 4 out of 5. Now, in which rectangle more parts are shaded? So we can easily say that in the second rectangle more parts are shaded. So we can say that the second fraction is more than the first fraction, or first fraction is less than the second fraction. Here second fraction is more than the first fraction, or first fraction is less than the second fraction. That is 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5, or 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. So when the denominators are equal, then we can just compare the numerators. Then we can put the less than symbol or greater than symbol or equal to symbol. Okay. So when the denominators are equal means when the given fractions are like fractions. Means if their denominators are equal, then whatever the fraction with less a numerator. So let us compare another two fractions, means like fractions. For example, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. So these are also like fractions because the denominators are equal. So we can write that we can compare the numerator. Numerator is 3 is less than the 4. So we can write 3 by 7 is less than the 4 by 7. 3 by 7 is less than the 4 by 7. Let us take another example, that is 18 by 21, 13 by 21. So here also these are like fractions because the denominators are equal. Now we can compare the numerators. So here as we know that 18 is greater than the 13. Then 18 is greater than 13. Then 18 by 21 is greater than 13 by 27. Therefore 18 by 21 greater than 13 by 21. Okay students, if you like this video, like, share and comment. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you students. Thank you friends. Thank you.